You are going to love the 2014 3500. Ram 3500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Hemi and Cummins under the hood, there is plenty of muscle to back it up. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, compass, fog lamps, trip computer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.